guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kai for those of you that are new. Today I'm going to be installing 2 of Outre wigs. A shout out to EBONYLINE because they sent over these wigs for me to try for y'all. So as you guys saw by their title, I am installing 2 of the Dione wigs today, and I'm going to do red velvet and the color 2. So color 2 is like a brownish black color, and then the red velvet has darker roots and then it fades off into this red. It's actually the same color as what the model has on, so I thought it looked really cute on the model, so I was like, I gotta try that one. I usually don't try red velvet that often, but it looks cute, so I'm gonna try them both and we're gonna compare them both and see if they're both giving off the same type of vibe, because sometimes it could be different depending on the color range. Sometimes the wig just reacts differently. I don't know. I have had that happen in the past, so we're gonna see. So yeah, shout out to you EBONYLINE for sending over today's wigs, and thanks y'all for watching. Let's get started. So I have officially installed both wigs, and we're going to end it off with the color 2. So both of these units, same details. This is from their Melted Hairline series. No pluckings required. It has baby hairs included. The elastic band is attached. This one is 20 inches long with the curls. It's safe to use up to 400 degrees, and it has HD transparent lace. And this unit also comes in like a bunch of their other specialty colors in case you guys aren't feeling the colors that I showed y'all today. Overall, I would like to say that both of them are very, very, very similar in terms of texture and just the consistency. It's very consistent throughout both wigs, so I feel like it's probably gonna be like that with the other colors, because in the past I've tried a brighter color and then the color 2, and they were like both completely 2 different textures but the same exact wig. Now with this wig, you guys saw that I moved it over to the side. I was influenced by that by Hairline. She did hers like that, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna try that out. I'm gonna try and put mine on the side and see what it looks like, and hers look really cute, so shout out to her. Make sure you guys watch her video. And I like it with the side part. I do wish that I could I feel like I want to like curve the parting space a little bit, even like kind of camouflage it some too. I didn't even think about that, like making it a little bit shorter. I think that would make it look cuter. And then it's just like really, really full, so I feel like I would want to dense this down some on the side, but it still looks cute as a side part. Now I do feel like I probably would want to wear this one in the middle as well, which is why I didn't cut anything extra in it. I do think that over time these curls are going to majorly fall. They probably won't last that long, because even with me brushing it with my wig brush, it's not, I feel like the unit looks curly, but then again it doesn't. I'm not getting like the same type of really big curl here in the bang area, but I like what I got, you know, and the ends are pretty loose, so over time I know for sure like these curls are going to flop and fall, so you'll probably have to add those back in. However, when I've tried to curl synthetic wigs in the past, they just don't come out right. So if you guys have any tips with curling your synthetic wigs, let your girl know so I can try it, because I actually do not know how to curl a synthetic wig. The sizing of the cap is really nice as well. I did do the adjustable straps in the back. I made it like super duper. I got makeup on my forehead. I'm sorry, y'all. Hold on. But what was I leaving? Oh, I did the adjustable bands in the back, so I made it super secure, super tight, so it is big head friendly. For the most part, no shedding, which I appreciate. It was a little bit tangled when I started to brush it out, but you know, that kind of went away once I brushed it. I do think over time it's definitely going to tangle up on you for sure. Baby hairs, I didn't necessarily use them, but they definitely are there for you to utilize. I just kind of brushed mine back into the frontal. And also the pre-plucked, I feel like it was really pre-plucked on this red velvet more so than the color 2. I feel like that was the only thing that wasn't as consistent. I just feel like I would have probably liked to see a little more plucked out melted hairline. So with the red velvet, I used spray to blend it into my skin and melt it in. With this one, I do not have any glue on this wig, and it's pretty blended. You should see. I actually didn't even see what this looks like in the middle. Oh yeah, this is cute. It's giving everyday wig type vibes. So I do like this one in the middle. I will flatten out the roots just a little bit more. Add a little bit of makeup to that parting space. And the middle part is cute for the color 2. Oh yeah, I like that. That says, wear it like it's intended, Kaya. Because it is made as a middle part wig, but I tried to make it into a side part situation. But it's cute nonetheless. So if you guys have not tried out the Dione wig, definitely do so. I'm gonna have the link in my description bar below for y'all so y'all can get you one. But that's all I have for you guys. If you have questions, always, like I say, leave them in my comments. I'll be happy to answer it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you to EBONYLINE for sending over today's wigs, and I'll see you guys in my next one.